I'm happy to be here today to tell you more about one of our newest expedition itineraries. Viking has created ultimate itineraries for those of you who've dreamed of discovering truly remote destinations. Today we will focus on one of our signature expedition voyages that allows you to sail from the tip of South America to the lost continent of Antarctica, home to towering mountains, glacial plateaus, and colonies of penguins. Magnificent wildlife and dramatic unexplored landscapes will unfold before you during landings and excursions, and as you relax in the comfort of your state-of-the-art stateroom. Here's a video on this 13-day journey. Follow in the tradition of the great polar explorers, setting your sights on Antarctica with this fascinating 13-day itinerary. Your once-in-a-lifetime journey begins in Argentina's capital, Buenos Aires. Then it's on to Ushuaia, the southernmost city in the world. From here, you'll sail past legendary Cape Horn and cross the fabled Drake Passage as you head for the bottom of the world. Antarctica. This is nature at its most flawless. An immense wild land of extremes and rugged beauty. A place so remote it eluded discovery until just 2 centuries ago. Norwegian Roald Amundsen, the first man to the South Pole, described this place as a wonderful fairy tale in blue and white. In this extraordinary setting, you'll enjoy a week of enlightening, educational, and deeply enriching experiences. Each one designed to help you better understand the intricate details of this fabled continent. A majestic ecosystem only a tiny fraction of the world's population will ever have the privilege to see. Your purpose-built Viking vessel is an ideal base from which to explore and learn. A floating classroom sharing the science behind the otherworldly environment you're exploring. The ships of Vikings sail with a range of vessels designed to explore from the sea, making it easy to investigate these stunning landscapes. As you travel these dramatic waters, your nature-based schedule will be optimized to take advantage of weather and, most importantly, wildlife viewing opportunities. You have a front row seat in nature's greatest theatre when Antarctica's locals decide to put on their display. And of course, in the spirit of discovery, you'll spend significant time on the continent's unspoiled shores, examining the extreme geology with expedition leaders. An exploration of Antarctica with Viking is an illuminating, rewarding journey. A profound, thought-provoking immersion into this remarkable place. An unforgettable adventure where you are sure to be humbled by nature. Your expedition concludes in Ushuaia, Argentina, the world's southernmost city, where you'll board your flight for a return to Buenos Aires. Now let's explore the Antarctic Explorer itinerary day by day. Day 1, welcome to Buenos Aires, where your voyage begins. Some of you will join us after your pre-extension stay. Others will arrive in South America today. If you've arranged air travel through Viking, we'll transfer you from the airport to your hotel. Time permitting, you may wish to explore Argentina's cosmopolitan capital. On day 2, you'll travel by private charter plane to the very tip of South America to Ushuaia, the world's southernmost city. Board your Viking expedition ship and take time to get to know your ship and expedition team. Today you will travel further south and sail through the Drake Passage. This legendary route was named after its discoverer, Sir Francis Drake. This passage takes you into the Antarctic Convergence, where sea temperatures plunge to near freezing in just a few hours sailing. Here in the Southern Ocean, you may glimpse your first iceberg and possibly a humpback, or attend a lecture from your ship's Viking resident scientist. Welcome to Antarctica, where you'll have 6 days to soak up the majestic beauty of this isolated corner of the globe. Keep an eye out for whales in their natural habitat, as well as seals, penguins, and petrels. Landscapes include colourful lichens and rocky beaches. Also be sure to take in the basalt cliffs, columns of volcanic rock that formed a unique geometric pattern. During your expedition activities, we offer complimentary use of our specialty outerwear and expedition equipment, so you can fully experience your destination in comfort. One of your shore excursions today might include kayaking amongst glaciers or hiking a snow-covered beach. These intimate vessels allow you to experience your surroundings up close. Note the distinct crackling sound glacial ice makes as air bubbles trapped inside are released. Your ship will navigate back through the Drake Passage as you travel back to Argentina. After many days of exploring, this is the perfect time to relax with a treatment at the Nordic Spa. Next, we'll sail the Tierra del Fuego's archipelago of southern Chile, where the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans meet. The cape was originally named Cape Horn by a 17th century Dutch merchant and explorer Willem Schouten, after the city Hoorn in the Netherlands. To this day, rounding the cape is a milestone reserved for experienced sailors. On your comfortable Viking expedition ship, you'll join the ranks of other intrepid seafarers who've completed this legendary passage between the two oceans. Heading back to South America, your journey with Viking concludes in Ushuaia. After breakfast on board, many of you will disembark and proceed to the airport for your return flight home.